Xposure has been very life-changing.
Xposure has been a phenomenal experience.
Xposure has been an eye-opener.
Xposure has been transforming me into a better person and into a better writer and journalist.
Right now we are currently conducting interviews with gas station owners and people that use vapes and jewels in order to find information about why they're doing it, because it's kind of an epidemic in America right now. A lot of teens are starting to develop nicotine addictions for seemingly no reason. So we're just trying to get to the bottom of it and gather as much information as we can so that we can try and inform teens.
Exposure is fulfilling. Exposure is scary sometimes, just because you just it's really scary interviewing people and stuff.
It is not a camp like Chuck says. You be expected to come here and work hard and work a lot. Be prepared for late nights and be prepared to be stressed out, because you will. But overall, it's just a great experience.
I've learned more than I could probably even describe in a few minutes. I've learned a lot more about journalistic writing. I've learned how to be more concise. That's a problem I've always had, and I think I've made big strides on it.
My view of journalism definitely has changed a little bit, because touring all those news stations really did help me understand how much work goes into it and how to collaborate with a group.
Going into Xposure, I kind of looked and I saw a lot of people were from Trinity private schools or DuPont schools like that, and I expected everyone to be really much more advanced than I was, and they're all really, really good writers. But I don't know, I did not expect them to be as kind and as accepting as they were.
I went to the Holly National Hot Rods reunion, and it was really fun, and I thought we were just going to be interviewing spectators and stuff like that, but I met this girl named Jessica Hatcher who has the same last name as me, and she gave us an inside look, and I got to meet people like Mendy Fry and Allison Lee and a couple other people, and they were really awesome to talk to, and people told me that they liked my story a lot, so yes, that was a really awesome experience. It was a lot more fun than I expected it to be. Every day I've been 7 days low, 6, and it goes down, and now it's down to 2, and I'm like, why is it ending? I'm so sad.
Louisville, Bowling Green, and just other parts of the state that I have never been to.
I've learned to be more concise, and I feel like my writing skills have really increased from going to Xposure.
I feel like I've grown mostly in my writing and my research developing skills and my talking skills socially. I went up to so many people and just didn't really care or think about oh my god, they're random strangers.
When you go to places and then hear some of the stories that these people tell you, it really helps you think about what you want to do with your life.
What I've learned about journalism is that it is a very collaborative world. It is definitely changing. It is evolving today, and journalism is such a powerful resource in today's world that can truly transform anything. It can give a person their voice. It can lift so many stories, so many crisis situations. It can really change and impact one's life.
Coming here, it really made me gain new skills and bring that back to
my journalism program back at my school.
So we went to a restaurant, and we're not supposed to leave our cameras on the table, but Preston left his camera on the table. So when we got back from eating our food, Preston couldn't find his camera, and he's like, "Where's my camera?" And so he starts freaking out. He's like, "Where's my camera? Where's my camera?" And I'm like, "Preston, maybe you left it in the car." And he's like, "No, I brought my camera." But eventually he found out the camera was with Gary because Gary took it to teach him a lesson. So that was probably the funniest experience here.
Journalism is important. Every single one of you has the talent to do this. I hope to see you back here, and I hope to see terrific work coming from you in the years and decades ahead.
Just keep smiling and always ask the hard questions.
I guess the one thing I would tell you is that follow your passion. Decide what that is and don't let anybody get in your way.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's been great working with you guys, and hope that you stay in touch. We just want you to know if there's anything that you need in the future, feel free to call on any of us. That's what we're here for. We've made lifelong friends with you guys, and you stay in touch with us, and we will be tracking you guys always.
Hello, Exposure Journalism Workshop students, 2019. If I could leave you or impart a little bit of words of wisdom, it would be for you to continue to pursue your dreams. Don't let anybody tell you you cannot do it, because you can. Have confidence in yourself, work hard, and know that you have your staff here behind you, and I know that you can do it whatever you choose to do. I love you all. Peace, blessings, and Exposure 2019.
Oh my gosh, there's a clown. I'm so sorry. There's a kid walking with like 5 balloons on top of his head. I'm so sorry, I'm so distracted by that guy.
Oh my god.
Do you see him?
Yeah.